In this aid, we will voice our actually own and market's perspective on one future while talking about admissibility cost gauge for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation with some hesitancy, since anticipating anything generally is a difficult undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like concordance. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig commonly profound into the concordance value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that one is a sort of wise venture or not. For what reason will one sort of succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will congruity value rise or drop? We should rapidly especially toss a look at what is one and its to-date history. What is concordance in a significant manner? This is a purported cross-chain blockchain project. Cross-chain explicitly implies that it really is intended to be a scaffold between various blockchains. One of its applications is NFT. According to Congruity, there essentially are 312 craftsmen who sort of have made $602 in their NFT craftsmanship deals up until this point, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Concordance expresses that its mainnet runs ETH applications with only 2 seconds of exchange speed and multiple times a lot of lower gas expense. The job of one token. The one symbolic keeps the gear teeth of the amicability biological system ready by empowering support and filling in as the installment vehicle for different exercises on the organization. This is finished in the accompanying way. The one token is utilized as a stake in the agreement model utilized with Congruity. The holders can procure block remunerates and are boosted to keep the framework sound. The tokens generally are utilized to in a real sense pay for different charges, including the exchange expenses, capacity expenses, and gas charges. With the assistance of one tokens, the holders are conceded casting a ballot rights as a feature of the stage's administration framework. One value expectation for the following 10 days in a kind of significant manner. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin generally has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. When in every practical sense, add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon explicitly is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers essentially are selling unsafe resources and moving into considerably more really stable business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year, which is genuinely huge. This is especially reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and truly alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to in a real sense do likewise. We have seen this situation many for the most part times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model sort of is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, which is genuinely critical. We expect whales and extremely other a lot greater players in the market to essentially wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and major evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical really potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022-12-01. Plus 8.67% $0 0145 2022 1202 in a for the most part enormous manner. Plus 8.29% $0 0144 2022 1203 in an unpretentious manner. Plus 2.33% $0 0137 2022 1204 in a significant manner. Plus 8.54% $0 0145 2022 1205. Plus 8.94% $0 0145 2022 1206. Plus 11.34% $0 0149 2022 1207 in opposition to mainstream thinking. Plus 10.20% $0 0147 2022 1208. Plus 12.55% $0 0150 2022 1209. Plus 3.90% $0 0139 2022 1210 in a significant manner. Plus 5.85% 1 cent agreement value forecast 2022. High expansion and very hazardous full-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022, or so they thought. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues within every way that really matters, huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 basically isn't looking excessively great for the bulls in an unpretentious manner. We will likely by and large see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to really slip lower with each truly minor market quake. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner in an unpretentious way. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2022 DAC plus 16.87% $0.0156 2023 Jan, or so they thought, plus 22.60% $0.0164 2023 Feb, plus 28.31% $0.0171 2023 Blemish incredibly, plus 40.20% $0.0187 2023 APRA, plus 41.90% $0.0189 2023 May, plus 36.90% $0.0183 2023 June, plus 50.29% $0.0200 2023 Jul, plus 41.56% $0.0189 2023 Aug, plus 49.69% $0.0200 2023 Sep, or so they thought, plus 59.74% $0.0213 2023 Oct in a significant manner, plus 53.52% $0.0205 2023 Nav amazingly, plus 56.00% 2 cents ONE value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees one arriving at new highs in 2025, 10 cents. What will one sort of be fundamentally worth in 5 years? The cost of one of every 5 years could generally lie around 3 cents. Agreement 1 value forecast 2030 to 2040. What agreement will be worth in 2030, which explicitly is very critical. Our gauging model sees concordance coming to 27 cents in 2030 in an unpretentious manner. What concordance will truly be worth in 2040, which is genuinely huge. Our estimating model sees concordance coming to 54 cents in 2040 in a kind of significant manner. Will amicability essentially supplant, outperform, explicitly overwhelm Bitcoin? Though, congruity won't supplant or overwhelm BTC in an unobtrusive manner. Could concordance at any point reach $1 amazingly? Indeed, concordance can reach $1 toward the finish of 2022, which is very critical. Might concordance at any point reach $10? Indeed, it is certainly conceivable that congruity can reach $10 yet just in a separated future, after 2030. Might concordance at any point basically reach $100 as opposed to mainstream thinking? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for concordance to in a real sense reach $100 in the short or midterm period. Is congruity worth purchasing in an unpretentious manner? We are promoters of reasonably hazardous financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a container of large cap coins and the rest in little undertaking